It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, the 3rd of September, getting set to begin the Labor Day weekend and a very dry air mass in place. There could be a few widely scattered showers or storms before the long weekend is over. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country this afternoon. Got a sprawling upper high, the center a little west of the state. We still have a light north flow aloft. And the visible satellite view got a field of cumulus clouds, a few cirrus patches across the state, but nothing on the radar. It's totally dry. Temperatures are mostly in the low to mid 80s. That's a little below average. The average high for this date is 89. It's 85 in Birmingham around 2:30. There's the watch warning map, pretty quiet across the country this afternoon. Got a marginal risk of severe storms for parts of the southern plains, curving up into the western high plains through tonight. Tomorrow, a marginal risk north and west of Alabama. And day 3, which is Sunday, no severe weather expected. There might be a rumble of thunder Sunday night around here, but again, no chance of any severe weather. Rain for the next 7 days. The west stays dry, and really not much here. Rain amounts for the state under a quarter of an inch for most spots between now and Friday morning of next week. So let's look at the tropics. We have 2 features on the board. Obviously, Larry is the highlight. Larry now with top winds of 90 miles an hour. This likely becomes a major hurricane tomorrow morning, gaining latitude, and this will be recurving well east of the United States. Our friends at Bermuda will have to watch this, and also the Canadian Maritimes, but the only impact for the U.S. will be rough surf and swells on the East Coast. And this is the 5-day outlook. That little feature over Central America will, if it survives, will try and drift into the Bay of Campeche, the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. Hurricane Center only giving this a 30% chance of developing over the next 5 days. The winds aloft will not be especially favorable if the thing survives. This is the ATCF set. A number of the models that keep it on the board moving into Mexico, south of Brownsville. This is the GFS ensemble. Got a couple of members that try and bring it up toward the Texas-Louisiana coast, but again, just something to watch for now. So model fans, let's go to the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Ridging in place here. Beautiful day to start the weekend. Sunny. We start the day well down in the 60s. We'll see a few upper 50s again, probably. High should be in the upper 80s, and again, mostly sunny. Sunday, the day should be dry. The sky partly to mostly sunny, highs in the upper 80s. Little feature to the north will be working in here Sunday evening. This is Sunday evening at 7 o'clock, showing a band of showers and thunderstorms drifting into the Tennessee Valley. So again, much of the day Sunday dry, but North Alabama could see a few showers, maybe some thunder late Sunday or Sunday night. And then Monday, we'll mention a chance of isolated showers, but by that means most places not getting rain. Monday's high in the upper 80s. It's Labor Day. This is Tuesday. Again, a few scattered showers are possible. Mid-80s. Evidence of a little surface low in the Gulf. This is the European on Tuesday. Not showing much, not much development down there. That could be that feature that's lifting out of Central America. This is Wednesday. The European does show a weak surface low south of Mobile Bay, with a chance of showers and storms mainly over the southern half of the state. Thursday, that little low is over the Florida Panhandle near Tallahassee. And then a week from today, this is Friday the 10th, back to the GFS. 594 upper high well to the west, troughing over the northeast. And that little tropical feature is back in the Atlantic, and we are dry at the end of next week. Let's go out 10 days. Monday the 13th, got a 594 upper high just northeast of here, and that looks very quiet. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean only about 1 inch. I say 1 inch, 1 to 1.5 inches between now and the 19th of September. But, of course, should a tropical feature evolve, that could change. Highs mostly mid to upper 80s, lows mostly in the 60s for the next 10 days. And the latest CPC outlook in hand. This is for the 10th through the 16th. Temperatures here a little above average if this works out. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video here by 6 o'clock Monday morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great Labor Day weekend, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.